Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen. Today we are going to make eggplant pizza for people who like pizza but they don't like bread. So you can do it, guys, you can do it. If you don't like bread but you like pizza, we can use eggplant. So I have Parmesan cheese, Italian cheese, and pepperoni. That is all you need. But first we're gonna bake them with the Parmesan cheese first for at least 15 minutes. Then we'll add the rest after. Oh guys, I'm forgetting my sauce. Don't forget the sauce. We need sauce also. So we are going to use this sauce, the pizza sauce. So let me open it. I almost forgot something. So, if you want to eat pizza but you don't want to eat bread, this is for you. This is all for you, my people, all for you. So we're gonna dip them first on our Parmesan. This is for people who are watching their weight. They don't want to eat bread, but they like pizza. So you can do it with eggplant. This is it. It's gonna be delicious. I've tried it, it's so good. You won't even believe it, how delicious they are. So we're gonna put them in the oven. I already preheated my oven at 375. So we're gonna wait till they turn golden brown. We can add the sauce and our pepperoni. Our cheese. Let's add pepperoni first. Pepperoni first. Cheese. You can make this as an appetizer and for the kids. So now we are putting it back in the oven for a few minutes. That's it, we'll wait. Looking delicious. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Ooh. Wow, wow, wow. This is it. This is it. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. That's like so good. Like a real pizza. Anyway, it's real pizza. It is real pizza. So maybe it's too hot to wait a little bit. We're gonna wait a little bit for them to cool before we take them out of the. Let them cool first. This is it. We are ready. So here it is, guys. Our eggplant pizza. This is it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you, guys. Bye. Very delicious.